Jewelry Care, the travel edition. Basically, these are my favorite jewelry travel hacks for bringing multiple necklaces and making sure that they arrive in great condition. And the added bonus, it's a space saver. With the holidays approaching, I thought I'd share one of my favorite travel hacks for people like me that like to travel with jewelry options. I always like to have daytime and nighttime options. I also like to mix my metals, so I like to have silver and gold options depending on which outfits I've packed. So we never want our jewelry to arrive in a tangled mess. And I think we've all experienced that, where we're sort of quickly putting our jewelry away in a jewelry box, and before you know it, multiple chains have knotted together. And it can happen so easily when bags are jostling around, be it in the back of a car or on a plane. So this will hopefully prevent that from ever happening to you ever again. And all you need is a straw, or multiple straws if, like me, you're going to be packing multiple necklaces. Simply open your chain and feed it through the straw, and then do it back up. And repeat that for every chain that you're going to bring, and it'll stop them from getting tangled together. It's so simple, so easy, and it just is so effective. It's so brilliant. And then I always take it one step further and either take some tissue paper that I already have from carrier bags. Most of us, when we go to the shops, whatever we purchase is wrapped in tissue. We have it ready to hand, that's, sitting there waiting to be recycled. So just roll it out, put in your first necklace with, say, especially particularly if you've got pendants, you don't want them rubbing together. So this will protect the pendants from hitting off the next chain. Just roll it over, fold it, put the next straw down, fold it over again, and keep rolling it. Or simply take a t-shirt and do the same thing. Put the first straw and necklace in, fold it over, keep rolling it so that they never touch each other, and it's an extra layer of protection. And then stick that into your carry-on case. And your jewelry is going to arrive in fantastic condition. It's just so simple, so easy, and I wish that I'd done it from the years of being a teenager, but I always do it now, and it just saves the day. The other option, if you don't have any straws to hand, is to double bag. This is a technique that most jewelry stores and jewelry companies use to store jewelry in a safe. And what you want to do is take your beautiful pendant and stick it in a smaller bag. And what this does is protects the pendant front from the necklace clasp from scratching it. So you've got this beautifully polished front that you want to protect at all costs. And all you do is take another bag and place it inside. So that way, not only does it not get knotted, but your pendant is protected. And do that as many times as you want. But the most important thing really is just you want to bag the pendant first, and then have the chain separate to the pendant. And if you don't have small bags like this, you can use a sandwich bag or a larger bag and put multiple necklaces, together in the same one. And at least the pendant front will be protected, and it'll certainly dramatically reduce any risk of them knotting. But the straw or the double bagging technique both should serve you really well for going on your holidays.